Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariel. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can become a socialite. So today I'm going to show you how I got this purple sort of smoky look. I'm working out of my monthly makeup tray, you guys. This is the first time I've created a tray of products that I want to use throughout the month. If you haven't seen my video on my monthly makeup tray, go ahead and hit that link right there. And I was sort of inspired by my purple robe. So if you want to see how I got this look using products from my monthly makeup tray, then keep on watching. Okay, socialites, so I'm going to create a purple smoky eye, and because it may be some fallout, maybe not, we're going to do the eyes first. So I'm going to be working from the Game Beauty palette. This one's the Harbinger palette, and it does have some really nice purples in it. It has a matte purple here. It does have a purplish shimmery color here, and then this shade here is like a duochrome, which has purple reflex in it. I'm gonna brush up my brows with my Ariell brow glue. I'm gonna set my lids with a little bit of loose setting powder. For my crease, I'm going to go into the Game Beauty Victory palette using the color Op, and I'm going to blend the crease with the Game Beauty E06 blending brush. Back into the Harbinger palette, I'm going to use Devour for my mobile lid. And then I'm going to take the deeper sort of shimmery purple Whoa and put it in the outer corner. I just want to deepen the outer corners just a little bit more, sort of smoke out the corner. For that, I'm going to use a smaller, more dense brush. This is the Game Beauty E08 brush. It's almost like a pencil shaped brush, but maybe a little bit larger. And I'm going to take the matte black shade Whoa. Going back into Whoa, I'm going to sort of tap over the black, not completely, but maybe like half of the black. This is just going to help with the blending. I'm going to take that lightest shade Dawn. It has sort of purpley reflex in it, and put that just in the inner corner. I'm going back into the Victory palette and using the same crease color Op, and just lightly fade that line on top of where we have the smokier colors. Taking my Inglot number 77 gel liner with my MAC angled 263 brush. I'm going to go back in with a really skinny pencil brush and the black color just to smudge that liner out. I'm going to fill in my brows with my Sephora brow pencil in the color Soft Charcoal. Using a makeup removing wipe, I'm just going to clean up all the fallout. To prime my face, I'm going to use the Refi primer. And I'm going to wait about 2 minutes for it to dry. For foundation today, I'm going to use Westman Atelier Cream Foundation Stick. And blending with my Sephora Collection number 88 brush. To highlight, I'm using my Quickie Concealer from Urban Decay. This one's in the color 50W0. Blending with my Real Technique sponge. With this concealer, I like to do one eye at a time because it dries super quick. For cream contour, I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Cream Bronzer. I'm going to set my highlighted areas with my Say Beauty powder. Taking Bombshell by e.l.f. to put in my waterline. My Maybelline Pencil and Glazed Toffee. For mascara, Push Up Lashes from Charlotte Tilbury. Taking my Hourglass Ambient Light Powder in the color Eternal Light with my MAC 150 brush. And I'm using this sort of as a highlight and a blush. I want the cheek area, really everywhere else, to be super subtle since the eyes are so dramatic. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, using my Sephora number 99 brush. My Benefit Hoola Bronzer. For lips, Juvia's Place and So Rare. Makeup by Mario Lippi in Hot Pink. And I'm going to overline with Juvia's Place Liner in Cola. The new Morphe Continuous Prep and Set Mist. So this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Comment down below if you've tried any of the products that I used today. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too far.